Yeah, we now have a lot of automation that is supporting us in this field. We have the RippleNami tool that we are using that does the geo mapping, helping us using satellite technology to do mapping and identify this property. And then we are also doing a lot of engagements with the different property owners. We have the Arcade Association, we have the commercial rental, but all in all, there is still a lot of untapped potential in this area, and we specifically want to request our rental taxpayers to again take advantage of the tax waiver to pay tax, because we will surely come to you and there will be a lot of interest and penalty payable. So come and take advantage of this waiver and let's pay tax and let's work together. Thank you.
Because thank you very much, CDT Shelangat. Mr. Commissioner General, unfortunately for our property owners, that's one of the ones where hiding is going to be very difficult, especially when you have a tool that allows people to be able to sort of geolocate where you are. As you mentioned earlier, it's only a matter of time before we eventually land on your property, wherever it might, because it's not like you can hide a house under the blanket, right?
That's true. That's very, very true, Ben. And some of those who we have already served some assessments know that the degree of under declaration has been high, and it's really an opportunity for you whom we have not reached. The technology is there that tells us, first of all, the location, but also tells us about the occupants of that property. So we'll be able to know which month was the property occupied and which month was it not occupied. Because this technology is available, you have data on utilities, you have data. So it is really a matter of time before the landlords who are not compliant start paying their fair share. The best window to take advantage of is that voluntary disclosure, because if you declare now and you say I've not been paying and you start paying, you will save yourself a lot of headache than when we come. Because when we are auditing tax evasion, we can audit up to 10 years where there has been an element of under declaration, fraud. The law is open. We can
10
audit.
years.
Yes, we can audit as back as 10 years. So really, why not save yourself all that pain, and you voluntarily disclose and you pay taxes going forward. So it's very, very important. And also the outcry is loud in this town because of the degree of under declaration of rental income. The tenant wants to have a proper VAT receipt to help them in their VAT return. The landlord is saying, no, I'll give you a receipt of 300 when actually the tenant has paid 3 million. This information is now with us, and really would not want to crack the whip when we have not given advance notice. We've been engaging. We called landlords, we've spoken to them, but let's use this opportunity again on air to encourage them. The degree of non-compliance in the rental space is still very big. We are seeing improved compliance. We've been growing significantly in the last 2 years, but we can do a lot better, and that way we will have distributed the tax burden to all that need to pay. So we encourage them to come out and pay their fair share.
Again, the one of the rental income is one that really I think should be a no-brainer.